Hello everyone, we are here for learn how to remember mensuration formulas. Just draw a table, then start from first step, dash. In cuboid first dash, in cube second dash, then count 1, 2, 3, then again dash, dash, dash. The second step is start cuboid last row LBH, then write in combination LB plus BH plus LH. Then this 2L means multiple of 2. Then just copy this step 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus LH. Cuboid is complete. Then count L 1, 2, 3. Therefore L cube in third row 1, 2 is L square. Then 3 to the 6 is 6L square. Just copy this step in second row 6L square. Then cube is complete. Then just draw square in cylinder and cone and just rectangle, hemisphere and sphere. Then just write pi r in square, remaining part pi r square and rectangle pi r cube. Next step is write h 3 times. Start from cone last row 1, 2 and 3. Then replace h to L in cone. The formula is pi r L. Next step is RH in product. Just write in addition in second row R plus H and similar change in cone R plus L. Then last 3 column write divide 3, divide 3, divide 3. Then 1, 2, 4. Cone is complete. Then last row 4 by 3. 4 write 2 times 4, 4. Sphere is complete. 2 by 3 write in upper way 2 upon 3. Hemisphere is complete. Then in cylinder write 2 3 times. Then cylinder is complete.